guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe that summer flew by so quickly. We only have a couple weeks, I think maybe like 2 weeks left of summer. So I really wanted to do this beautiful on-trend yellow smoky type of look. I love that. I think, oh my god, I think it looks so pretty and it wasn't hard to do at all. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I think it's so pretty and it flatters everybody. I've seen so many people with this type of yellow look and they look so pretty with it. So I really hope that you guys love this look, and if you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram or my Twitter. I love seeing you guys recreate my looks and it makes me really happy, and I love like interacting with you guys and making friends online. It's just the coolest thing. So yeah, let me know if you guys recreate this look. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up right now, please. That way other people that want to see these type of looks can find them and it makes me more searchable. Thank you guys so much for everything, and let's get right into the tutorial. I already have moisturizer and sunscreen on. So the next thing we're going to do is foundation. I'm gonna mix these two, guys. I love this combination. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and the Dewy and Smooth. I have dry skin, like dry to normal, but mixing the two is perfect. It gives like such a skin-like finish, but with a little bit of like a glow, and that's exactly what I look for in foundations personally. But if you like more matte looks, Matte and Poreless is bomb on its own. I just personally like to look more, you know. I'm blending it in with my Rimmel Beauty sponge. This has become my favorite sponge lately. It's really soft, and that's the problem I would have with a lot of dupes for the Beauty Blender, is that they weren't giving me that like softness and like flexibility that the Beauty Blender has. Now I'm gonna go into the spots that the foundation didn't cover with my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. This is a full coverage concealer. It can get a little creasy under the eyes, so you have to use a little bit, but on the face it's perfect. I just use about this much. This brush that I'm using is a Morphe G38. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Pomade. So what I want today is a very defined under part of my brow, but nothing too bold. But I really want the bottom part to be defined. Now I'm going to carve out the brow and highlight the brow bone by using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I use the shade Vanilla 355. It's really good for brightening the brow and making the brow look raised. And I also put that concealer on the eyelid and blend it out so that it can prime the lids and get it ready for eyeshadow. I'm so excited to do this look. I know that a really nice yellow smoked out eye look has been super popular this summer. I'm excited to do it. It's so gorgeous. I've seen so many pictures of people doing it. It's just so pretty. I can't wait. So I found this really gorgeous yellow from the James Charles Morphe palette. This is called B, like B-E-E. And it's so gorgeous. So for this look, you want like that baby chick type yellow, but not too pastel. I'm going to start tapping that color onto my crease all over the eye there. I'm going back and forth because I want the product to come off the brush and not get smeared and blended with the concealer. So now that color is laid down, I'm going really lightly back and forth with the shade. I went in and got more color, by the way. Now we're gonna go in immediately and cut the crease. I'm using the same exact concealer that I used on my eyelids. I'm gonna take it to about that much, right where the center of my pupil is. And then with my finger, I'm gonna blend that part out right there so that it's seamless and doesn't dry too harsh. From the Be Perfect Stacey Marie palette, I'm going into the shade Keen. If you love color, this is a perfect palette for that. It has so many beautiful colors. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing in this color to the outer portion of the eye. It's such a pigmented yellow. It's way more pigmented than the James Charles palette, I'll tell you that. And it's really good. But this is really what's going to show the yellow. I liked the James Charles one kind of just to like give it a blown out, soft, diffused yellow. But this is really what's going to intensify the color. I'm gonna set that part where I put concealer with a translucent setting powder. You wanna make sure you don't have any creases, and then you're just gonna tap the translucent powder onto the concealer. Now I'm gonna put some white eyeshadow from the James Charles palette on the area where we had concealer. Now I'm gonna grab Shuffle right here from the Stacey Marie Be Perfect Cosmetics palette. And I'm using a Morphe M514. I like this brush for more precise blending, and it gives you that really like concentrated look you want. This one is more like a mac and cheese type yellow, or like a, you know, that like spray can cheese, but this is more that type of color that we're looking for, so that it can deepen up the yellow and give it a little bit more like richness. I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush and blend all of that in. I feel like I want to add like a little bit of shimmer or something. I don't know, I feel like something's missing, but I'll probably add it in the end once I see how the whole look is and how it goes coming together. Let's do wing, which I'm a little nervy about, I'm not gonna lie. Today, I don't know, I'm just like, I don't know if it's because my room is hot or because we got a little Miss Monaco right there like eyeing me through my mirror. She's like, I'm watching you and your janky ass wings. It's so cute. For my wing, I want it to be really matte black, so I'm using, this is from Pretty Vulgar. It's their gel eyeliner. It's called The Ink, and it's #1, their blackest black. And I'm using this pencil. This is Sigma Small Angle E65. Yes, bitch. You know that feeling when you like slay a wing that you're like, ooh, the way she is coming together. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna add anything. I'm gonna keep it matte. So one of my biggest, well, this is, it's probably not a secret or like, oh my god, revolutionary, but one of my biggest secrets is that I get my lashes on Amazon. They are so good. I will like link them down below for you guys if you want to check them out. I love them. They look so good and they're so flattering on the eyes. So those are the ones that I'm gonna put on today. So while the glue is drying, I'm gonna go and put some concealer. This is gonna conceal all the bullshit I have under my eyes. Just a little bit right here to bring some light to that center, and a little bit on the chin. So these are the places that I'm concealing / highlighting. I'm gonna set the under eyes immediately. I'm using the Juno & Co. Grab my little powder brush. I love the way that this powder is. It has like this little flexible mesh that distributes the powder without it getting like super messy. And with that, I'm gonna just set my face and all the other areas that I may get like either wrinkles or I just want to mattify. Tell me this lash isn't gorgeous. But tell me. Go ahead, tell me. Because it's stunning. It's so pretty. I took a risk. When I saw it on Amazon, I was like, should I believe these reviews? Because I be seeing people out here ordering chandeliers and getting little things that look like this. For the under eyes, I'm going to go into Shuffle, which is the mac and cheese type of yellow. I press that in, and then I'm blending it with a little tiny blending brush. So for eyeliner, in my waterline, I'm using the Dose of Colors Romance eyeliner. It's a really, really pretty like red orange. My L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, my favorite mascara right now. I'm gonna go into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, into the first shade on the left, to do a little bit of contouring. Now with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I'm going into the same exact brush. I'm gonna go over that to warm it up a little bit, because the Kat Von D contour color is very cool toned. So this is gonna bring warmth to the face. My nose is getting so pink because my eyes are so like watery and my nose is so runny. It's just perfect right now. I'm gonna go into my Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This is the color Vintage Rouge. just to give a light flush of color. For my highlighter, I'm going to use one of my favorite highlighters. This is Zuma from Persona Cosmetics. I'm going to use this brush from Morphe, the M509. And I'm just going to softly put that over the high points of the cheek. I'm going to use some MAC Fix Plus to set everything, but I'm going to cover the eye. For my lips, I'm using Morphe's Sweet Tea. I'm going to use the KKW Beauty. Is it Peach one? Yeah, Peach one. And then blending that out with my finger. I'm going to put the Be Perfect Cosmetics gloss over it. Right in the center. Just to add to the poutiness. And we are done. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. What do you guys think of this look? Do you guys love it? Or do you love it? I love it. I think it's so pretty and such a gorgeous look for any time. Honestly, this is just not only for summer, for any time. I think it looks so beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think it's so pretty. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be hashing out a couple more toots along the way. I have quite a couple that I have to edit. So look forward to that. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you have the notifications on because YouTube stays playing your girl and not giving you guys notifications when I post. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video.